Hey guys, David here and welcome to Digital Outlook. Guys, we've got another amazing show for you today. XRP will outshine them all. So guys, let's get to it. So guys, as you can tell, I'm not at my standard locale when I'm doing my recordings tonight. In fact, Judy and I are out in Missouri and we're doing some business out here, and then tomorrow we're heading back home. So I'm actually recording out here in our hotel room. Now, I want to give a major shout out to one of our subscribers and supporters, and that is Roosevelt. Guys, this is Roosevelt right here. Now, we bumped into Roosevelt. He recognized us as we were looking for some assistance to figure out how to get around the airport and all that kind of stuff. What an amazing guy and truly amazing help. And guys, I'll tell you what, if you ever see Judy and I out, because Roosevelt recognizes, he said, hey, I know you, da 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 da. And we just connected so much. But I was going to say this, if you guys see us out and about, Judy and I always have no issues, and we love it if you guys come up and say hello and just greet us, because guys, like I love to say, we create the content, but you create the community, and it is such a pleasure for us to come out and just celebrate folks that are actually supporting this channel and of course this XRP ecosystem. Now guys, having said that, boy, are things exploding in this space like crazy. We in fact saw Bitcoin reach up there above 89,000. It would not surprise me, guys, if by tomorrow or the next day we're not looking at a 90,000 plus dollar Bitcoin, and you can tell we are right in the throes of a major bull run. But guys, when alt season comes, I'm going to tell you what, I believe XRP is going to outshine them all. Now guys, just check this article out right over here. XRP rallies 23% in 1 week as investors expect more upside. Guys, I'm going to tell you something. 23% is a sneeze when you consider what it did in the past. I have watched some of these assets when Judy and I were in this space that last run literally fly through the atmosphere and climb thousands of percent just in a day. It was truly amazing. Now, what they're saying here is Ripple's XRP is up nearly 8% on Monday as the remittance-based token stretched its weekly gains to 23%. Now, a lot of folks are saying, oh, everything's moving but XRP. That's not true. In fact, we have seen some major moves out of XRP, but we ain't seen nothing yet. I'll tell you what. If investors could continue holding on to their profits, XRP may likely extend the rally towards 74 cents. Just the start, guys. Just warming up the engine right there. XRP's Binance Exchange Reserve has been trending upward since November 6, rising from 3.105 billion XRP to 3.177 billion XRP on Monday. Per CryptoQuant's data, a similar upward move is also visible in the XRP Upbit Exchange Reserve, rising from 6.611 billion to 6.634 billion XRP. While an increase in an asset's exchange reserve indicates potential for price decline, XRP's price has defied the trend, rising alongside its exchange reserve balance. Meanwhile, the percentage of total XRP supply in profit has been rising steadily, growing to 85%. The total supply is in profit, 85%. Guys, that is a phenomenal number. Now, whilst its market value realized crossed 56%, MVRV calculates the average profit or loss of all XRP holders. During bull markets, profit taking often ensues when holders' profits spike, as they did in the past few days. However, XRP's network realized profit or loss, which measures the average profit or loss of all coins that change addresses daily, has remained zero since November 5th. So guys, it means a lot of people are holding their XRP. Per sentiment data, this indicates that investors are holding on to their profits in hopes of more upside. You got it. And the whales, have they been accumulating like crazy? That is a fact, Jack. Now, XRP's weighted sentiment is also at high levels, reaching 0.066 in the past 24 hours. Weighted sentiment measures the social volume and sentiment of investors regarding a token. An increase in this metric suggests an influx of positive sentiment surrounding a token and vice versa for a decrease. Ripple's XRP is trading near 62 cents following a 3.98 million in futures liquidations in the past 24 hours. Guys, don't mess with leverage. That's what I'd say there, no matter what, because when people were shorting this, they just got liquidated big time. When they long it, guys, when it's past the projections and those liquidations come, do people lose big time. In fact, I know people that put their entire bag that they were literally building up over a 2-year period on the line and had it liquidated overnight. It is not something that you want to do, that is for sure. Liquidated long and short positions accounted for 2.95 million and 1.03 million respectively. Over the weekend, XRP broke above its 200-day simple moving average and the upper resistance of key descending channel. The remittance-based token could continue the upward to tackle the resistance near the 64.5 cents. A firm close above this level could see XRP rally towards the 74 cents. And guys, like I say, it is just the start. Now, on the downside, of course, XRP could find support near the upper trendline resistance of the key descending channel. The relative strength index is in its overbought region, indicating the likelihood of a potential price correction. While when it's overbought, guys, and the daily candlestick close above 56 cents will invalidate this thesis. Well, guys, we're getting those closes, and it looks like XRP is absolutely going to take off. Now, I want you to just focus on this chart right here. Look at the 24-hour high for Bitcoin, $89,530.54. And at the time I'm recording this, $87,863.99. Well, guys, just back on October the 8th, Bitcoin was only at 59,000, just picked up $30,000 per coin in market. That is truly phenomenal. And guys, we've been here to see it. When Bitcoin takes off and it starts making this big run, and if we do see it start to peter out there at 92, 93, 94, 96, maybe even 100,000, when it starts to roll and Bitcoin dominance comes back, guys, I'm going to tell you, it's going to send these altcoins a way most people have not even imagined. Unless you've been through a prior bull run yourself, I'm telling you, it is something you can practically not even digest. It is truly phenomenal. Now, check this out right here. Headwinds are turning to tailwinds for XRP, and this is coming right from Brad Garlinghouse. XRP was once the second most valuable digital asset. The Trump administration could bring potential benefits to crypto. Brad Garlinghouse believes headwinds are turning to tailwinds for XRP. Crypto lawyer Bill Morgan reaffirmed a statement by Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse noting the trajectory of XRP's challenges in the last 4 years. In a post on X, Garlinghouse noted that XRP was once the second most valuable digital asset before the SEC sued Ripple. And here he says it right here. I've shared some thoughts on what the Trump administration could mean for crypto and wanted to also recognize the XRP family's patience and unwavering support. That is for sure. Diamond hands. A lot has happened since XRP was the second most valuable digital asset. It's been at times a frustrating journey, but guys, the answer is literally on the way. It's like the posse rode into town and absolutely took every one of those outlaws down. And we're talking Gary Gensler and the whole crowd behind it. Guys, it is truly phenomenal when we see the actual attitude and sentiment towards this digital asset space with this new administration and the potential to watch these cases as regulation by enforcement be absolutely evaporated, taken right off the scene with regulatory clarity and institutional adoption. Guys, I think this is going to cause this space to absolutely fly way higher than what most people imagine. Now, Garlinghouse highlighted the potential benefits of the Trump administration could bring to crypto and appreciated the XRP community for supporting Ripple throughout the litigation process. The Ripple CEO described the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple as a frustrating journey. According to Garlinghouse, the SEC started meddling in crypto affairs 6 years ago, picking winners and losers. We all know it, guys, the Ethereum free pass and on and on and on. However, the fintech expert noted that the SEC only sued Ripple 4 years ago in a litigation process that has lasted. Meanwhile, he stated the crypto community is beginning to see the light at the end of the tunnel as external factors which he thinks are unnatural and manipulative fade. Absolutely. We all know, guys, just how corrupt the SEC has been with its picking these winners and losers, and even the court has rebuked them as not having a faithful allegiance to the law. Well, when we get this new administration in there and Gary Gensler is out of there and a pro-crypto SEC chair is sitting in there, do you really believe that we're going to see all the, the headwinds that have held us back? No, guys, I think what Brad Garlinghouse said is correct. The tailwinds are going to come, the sales are coming down, and we are going to literally pick up speed like most people haven't even seen. Now, Garlinghouse highlighted a positive trend in the cryptocurrency market, describing it as headwinds turning into tailwinds. He believes this shift indicates growing market momentum, presenting opportunities for long-term XRP holders. This optimism aligns with XRP's recent price surge. The altcoin rose from 49.57 last Monday to a local high of 61.86. In fact, it went over 62, over 63 cents, marking a gain of more than 25% before slightly retracing to that 58.02 at the time of writing. Well, guys, it has been going crazy since then. Now, notably, Garlinghouse and most XRP supporters think the SEC's litigation against Ripple is unmerited and that crypto-friendly commission would bring the prolonged court case to a conclusive end. Absolutely, that's what I believe. Doing so would most likely boost investor confidence in XRP and may lead to an influx of funds into XRP as the crypto asset attempts to reclaim its top spot alongside other highly performing altcoins. Well, guys, what normally happens is this, like I was saying right there, Bitcoin gets to a peak and it starts to peter out. What happens is a lot of people take their profits out of Bitcoin and they dump them into the altcoins. And guess where those dumps go? They go to the high market cap performers like XRP, like Hedera Hashgraph, like XLM, like VeChain, those ones like that. And last time, boy, did they ever send it. Cardano as well. Right off the Richter scale, Judy and I literally watched some 10,000 percentage gains in some of these assets. And guys, when I see this stuff going on and I see these kind of moves like that, guys, I'll tell you what, am I ever so glad that we bought that ticket. And I'll tell you what, I cannot wait to ride this thing way past the moon, past this, right through Jupiter. So guys, if the last few days have shown us anything, it's that this space could literally take off on a dime. And that is why it is so vitally important that you get your plan in place before this next alt season absolutely explodes. And what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally one-on-one for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run and what enabled Judy and I to experience some amazing financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't have to fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look at your portfolio and make sure that it's balanced towards your goals, and we work together to develop your exit strategy. We can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that are really going to help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigitaloutlook.com and we'll get y'all booked in. So guys, I truly hope that you enjoyed today's video, and as always, it's not financial advice, it's just my 2 cents. Hit the like and subscribe and drop your comments right down there in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one.